Hey everyone, so with the iPhone 14 series, Apple is going to do some major changes in front design. Though we are still months away from the official launch, but we already seen its renders, screen protective case and some dummy units. According to them, Apple will finally replace the notch with the pill-shaped cutout and a punch hole. And now we have yet another leaked image of the display panels of all four models of the iPhone 14 series. First of all, there won't be any iPhone 14 mini this time around. The reason for this is the poor sales of the iPhone 13 mini. But still, Apple will release 4 iPhones this year, as you can see with this leaked image. The iPhone 14 series will include iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max. As can be seen, the iPhone 14 and 14 Max will still have the old notch design, whereas on the other hand, the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max will have a pill-shaped cutout and a hole punch on the display. The pill-shaped cutout is likely to house the Face ID sensors and the front-facing camera will be housed in a hole punch. The Pro models will have thinner bezels with a taller 20:9 aspect ratio. The iPhone 14 series is rumored to have a 48 megapixel main camera. It is being said that the front-facing camera on the iPhone 14 series will be upgraded as well. According to a previous information, the iPhone 14 and 14 Max will be powered by last year's A15 Bionic chip and LPDDR4X RAM, whereas the Pro models will get the all-new A16 Bionic chip and LPDDR5 RAM. Also, the iPhone 14 and 14 Max will reportedly be available in black, white, blue, red and purple color options, while the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max will come in graphite, gold, silver and purple color options. The purple color option for both the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro could have a unique finish that shifts tone based on lighting conditions. So that is all for today. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.